Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about my naval journey, how my naval journey has taken place, what exactly the procedure, and how I got into Navy, and the way I had served in Navy, whatever the adventures, whatever the training I'll be discussing. Just go through whatever has been given. Exam and joining. The exam was conducted in 2003 on 16th of June, and physical had happened on the same day in the afternoon. The result were declared. Those papers were, they are all publical, so it's same day it has been given. So at 3 o'clock the result has been given and physical conducted, and when you qualify in the physical examination, the same day you have been given the result. After that you have been called next day for the medical. Next day itself we had gone for the medical and we were fit. So the result was declared on the month of September 2003. So this was the one of the finest way of recruiting the naval sailors and fastest way of recruiting the naval sailors as compared to today. And the reporting time was given in INS Sarkar, which is located in Vizag. On 26th January 2004 we were reported on Republic Day. And next we have from the INS Sarkar, as you can see how exactly it looks like, Eastern Naval Command, which is located in Vizag. And from further they have sent us to basic training center, which is located in INS Chilka. As you can see how exactly it looks like, this Chilka is one of the basic training center, is located in Odisha. So we have gone by train from Vizag to Odisha, that is Chilka. So what exactly the sports and exactly what will happen over there, so everything I'll discuss one by one. Please go through this. So whoever has done good at sports and whatever the activities will be rewarded by the commanding officer, you will be recognized. There is no, don't feel, you will have the recognition everywhere wherever you do good. And you will be given few parade training will be there. As you can see how exactly the people with a good discipline and parade training will be given in the INS Silka's parade ground, and one of the finest place where you can visit. And firefighting will be, whatever the firefighting activities will be, the training will be given by the professional naval sailors, and you will be taught to fight against the fire during the emergencies on board ships. And you will be having a visits from various places. You can have the Kalijai Marg, as well as you have the Bhubaneswar temple in Odisha, though that will be one of the finest visits that to that adventurous visits you will have. And you will have the service education. You have to learn few terminology concerning to service subjects, and whatever the professional, you have to be good in learning the activities and doing the work proper manner. So we'll have the virtual classrooms, and one of the finest classrooms ever you will have. You will have the little boat pulling regatta. As you can see, you will have the boat pulling. So this 27 DK whaler, you will be going into the boat, and you will be given a prizes if you won on it, and you will be given a points towards your promotion. And firing activities, it is one of the mandatory thing for the defense personnel. You should be learning the firing. You have to be good at firing. If you are good enough in firing, you will be sent for the national and international level also. There are various players who are also rocked in Olympics. And you will be having running every day morning. You will have the running practice. From further, if you are doing good in running, and you will be sent for the naval championships, further you will be sent for the international level also. So that depends on your interest and performance. As you can see, swimming is one of the major activity one must learn in the navy. One should learn, so for the greater endurance during the life at sea. So that is one of the finest class. If you are a good swimmer, then you will be taught more for the commandos and various adventure activities. You will be recognized, and you will be having a lake swimming. You whoever is good at swimming, they can participate in lake swimming, and further they can be given rewarded. And if they are good in swimming, and they will be sent for the swimming championships also, depends on their performance. Remember one thing, navy will appreciate and will encourage you to do good. That depends on your the performance and the behavior with the senior officers. and passing out period, whatever the training you have been done for the period of in my case I had done for the period of 6 months. Now it has come down to 3 to 4 months. That depends on the whatever the situation over there, and you will be passed out from that place, and you will be sent to the ship training, and you will be given leave for 1 month, and further you will be transferred to on board any kind of ship for the period of few months. In my case, I have attended near about 3 months. Further, I had transferred from the ship to professional training school in Kochi. So as you can see how exactly you will be further transferred from the ship to professional training school. You will have the classes like this. You will have a good virtual classes, and uniforms, everything will be given in it. And post completion of the professional training, you will be sent on board warships. And as you can see, I was transferred on naval minesweepers. I had served near about 2.5 year on board naval minesweepers in Mumbai. For you will have the promotions in various stages, and even if you are good in education, you will be sent for the commissioned officers examinations. That depends on your caliber and the way you perform with your professional as well as your communication skills and knowledge in subject. So you will be given a promotions timeline. Besides that, you will be given a chance to write any officers examinations, like there are various examinations in navy, commission worthy, as well as you have SD special duty, that is SD officers. So that depends on your performance throughout your naval life. So here admission in BA, I had taken admission in public administration from Annamala University, which was the finest university in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. So one of the best university I have ever seen, with a great good subject, as well as with the shortest way of examination will be completed within a span of 6 days. So that is one of the greatest thing in this. So and work and sea life, the life, as you are aware that sea life is always little bit difficult, and if you are adapted to that, it will be very feasible. But you have to remember, for every pros and cons, there are everything, you'll find pros and cons. The work will be little less strain, but you have to be tough enough to face the seasickness. As you can see, there are few people very weak, and they will have the seasickness, and that is very difficult for them to survive in navy. If they are serving on board ships, that has to be adapted, that life has to be adapted. If it is not happening, then you have to better quit in the old age. And running and cross country will be held. So as there is a running and cross country, every command will be conducting half yearly and yearly. In that, if you are good enough, you will be encouraged. Even in my case, I was fourth position all over in the Western Naval Command, which were conducted in Goa, and I had done my best for the 4 kilometers of running. I had done 13 minutes 40 seconds have been taken by me, and I was awarded a prize of a good certificate. And from further, I have been transferred local after completion of 3 years of sea training, and I had been transferred as base transfer. I worked over there for 2 months. Further from there, I have gone for the hot air ballooning adventurous course. Prior to this adventurous course, I had given my leave encashed, because it's very important. It is not every time you will be sent for the adventurous course. You have to give your leave back to the defense, with which your presence will be there in your department. So I had done this course in Jabalpur, and it was tied up with the army, and we were very happy. And further, I got the transfer in Andaman Nicobar Islands in Port Blair. So as you can see how exactly Andaman Nicobar Islands looks like. In Port Blair, I was transferred to the place. And further in the office, I had taken MA Tourism admission. I had done my MA successfully in Andaman Nicobar, and in Andaman I had done J24 adventurous activities. As you can see the boat, how exactly it looks. I had gone through the small boat to the Phuket, one of the finest adventurous trip. It has taken 4 days and 4 nights. We were escorted by a ship, and we were went from the Andaman, that is Port Blair, to Thailand. We have gone, and we have been escorted by a ship, and it was one of the finest adventurous activity in my life. So these are the activities will be conducted by the navy with the best crew. I even done instructor course in sailing. I have done a course which will be conducted in Mumbai. So I had done this course, and I was successful in doing this course. And I had these are the which are, you have to remember, these are which are to be done in Navy. If you are in Navy, or it's a way of life, the way you live. And I understand, if you're strong enough in doing the activities, you will be very good and you will learn a lot. Even I sailed on board INSV Mahade. As you can see, Lieutenant Commander Abhilash Tommy, who circumnavigated around the globe. Prior to that, he had practiced with us, so we were escorted him during the sea voyage up to Thailand to get the whatever the materials he wants. So we were there with the Abhilash Tommy, and we escorted from. We had even visited foreign Singapore as well as Thailand and Malaysia. And one thing, before going to the abroad visit, you have to sacrifice your family. It is not everything. You have to sacrifice something. You have to lose something if you want to gain something. Sacrifice is one of the greatest factor for the naval or defense personnel, whoever is there, whether it is adventure, whether it is a tough life in Navy. So we have whatever the things I'm giving in it, we can only give the positive things, we cannot give some negative things. That depends on you, how you take the positive and negative. So here I had gone through these adventurous activities, and whatever the tough life we had seen, along with that we had seen that adventurous life also. So we been to Malaysia, Langkawi. From there, we have flown from Indira Gandhi Indira Gandhi airport from Delhi to Singapore. We have gone to Malaysia. From Malaysia, we have gone to Thailand by boat. From Thailand, we have from, as you can see, in Langkawi, we have landed in aeroplane. From there, we have escorted from the same Madhe boat. From Madhe boat, we have gone to Phuket. We had visited Thailand, and from Thailand, we have come to return trip. I was in the return trip from Thailand to Kochi. So this is a one what I had done. So from Phuket to, I had come to Kochi and further to Goa. So I was the member in a return trip, not in the going and coming. So these are the few activities which were done by me. As you can see to the right side of this picture, these are the four people. This is Commander Abhilash Tommy, and myself is fourth one. So as you can see, one of the best my adventurous trip. As you can see, Lieutenant Commander S.K. Singh and Solanki were my friends, and Lieutenant Commander Abhilash Tommy was present with me. I was the fourth person. As you can see, we have traveled near about 5,000 nautical miles. This is one of the adventurous life. So this is the actual photograph which were downloaded from the internet. So as you can see, from Kochi to Goa by INSV Mahade, again we have come back to Goa with the same this Mahade boat. As you can see, Abhilash Tommy is standing in the back, and we have done few adventurous course in Andaman, that is diving course we have done. So like that diving has done for the adventurous and naval activity, naval. And further from, we have got transferred in Naval Academy, which is located in Payanur, that is near to Kannur. So this is one of the finest place where you have to visit if you have any friends or relatives. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find near about 800 plus question papers in my YouTube, one of the finest YouTube I had made for the competitive examinations. Life at Academy was very nice, and whatever the climatic conditions over there, they were very cordial, and it is one of the best place where you can survive over there. And sailing boats at Academy, as you can see, that's one of the finest place to have the adventurous life. These are the enterprise class boats where two persons will be riding this. This is enterprise class. The sailing boats are there, as well as Hobby 16. These are which are driven by me. These are all one of the best adventurous one, and I even know how to drive these boats, and I am the helm. I had done adventurous in enterprise class as well as Hobby 16. The way he is riding it, we had done the same thing. Even with the Admiral Karambir Singh sir, we have done it. So one of the finest adventurous trip we have done. And laser boat sailing, as you can see, laser boat, this is one of the best one where you can go fastest way of doing the boating. And even windsurfing I had done in Academy, and from there I had taken admission in MBA HR in Sikkim Malipan University. And further, after completing this MBA in Sikkim Malipan University, for we got 64%, and we got transfer in INS in Mumbai. in warships. And further, after doing that final transfer, I was in headquarters Western Naval Command. So in Western Naval Command I had served for 3 years, and further I got retired on 31st January 2019. I took the voluntary retirement. This is the last photograph of my uniform, naval uniform, and this is the headquarters where I had served for the last 3 years. This is the best place where I can learn maximum the good information, and the patience you will learn from the different secretariat level places, where exactly you will be having a greater effort you have to put in it. And that is one of the best place. That is the Navy. Whoever wants to join in Navy, they have to focus on work hard, and you will be having a good results in your life. And I hope this is the best video I can make for the people whoever is looking for the uh, induction in Navy. So please go through this is the best one. I request you guys to share it to your friends, and you can call me on 766730 for more. For the 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me. It's a free of cost, you will be given. Thank you guys, have a good day, have a great life. And if you have any queries regarding Indian Navy, you can call me on my mobile number. Have a good day, have a great life.